In this video, I'm going to show you how to play Rocket League with a controller on your PC with an easy setup guide. Using a controller can really improve your gameplay and make the experience more fun. First, connect your controller to your PC. For Xbox controllers, just plug it in via USB or connect through Bluetooth. For PlayStation controllers, you can use a USB cable or Bluetooth as well. Next, launch Rocket League on your PC. Go to the game settings and navigate to the Controls section. Make sure the game recognizes your controller. Usually, you'll see controller icons instead of keyboard keys. Customize your button layout if you want to set up controls that feel comfortable for you. If your controller isn't working, try restarting the game or reconnecting the controller. Also, check for any driver updates for your controller on your PC. Once everything is set, start playing Rocket League with your controller and enjoy smoother, more precise control. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more gaming tutorials and tips.